Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I am going to teach you how to connect temperature sensor and how to use temperature sensor. So just go on Google, search for Tinkercad, open your account in Tinkercad. As we always do, just open your account, go in create option, go in circuit option. After here choose all components and search for temperature sensor. Here you will see temperature sensor, just take that. Now you can see here in temperature sensor three pins are there: power pin, Vout pin and ground pin. Basically, firstly we will understand how temperature sensor work. So in temperature sensor, as we will connect supply to it, voltage will get changes between these pins. As our temperature sensor will detect temperature in our surrounding, it will detect whatever changes are happening in temperature, and according to that it will give input, and that temperature will get converted into voltage. That is our physical energy is getting converted into electrical energy. So it will get converted into voltage, and that voltage will change around between this terminal, and according to that we will get our output. So just this is our power pin where we have to connect our 5 volt supply or whatever voltage we are giving. Here we have to connect our ground pin, that is a negative pin, and from here we will take output, whatever output we have to take. So after taking temperature sensor, here search for breadboard. We will take breadboard. Just connect this temperature sensor on breadboard. Then search for battery. We will take this 1.5 volt battery, rotate it. Here go and take two batteries, as we will need minimum 3 volt, 4.5 volt. You can take according to your requirement. Just connect negative terminal to this side, positive terminal to this side. Now connect this power pin to your positive terminal, and this is a ground pin. So from here you can connect ground pin to your negative terminal. Now for checking output, we can connect our LEDs. We can change brightness of LED, or we can check LCD or anything. But today I'm going to check this on multimeter. So this is our multimeter. You can see this is our multimeter. We will take multimeter here. In multimeter also two terminal we will have positive and negative. This is positive, this is negative. Just connect negative terminal to negative side and connect positive terminal to our output pin, because we want to check output, whatever output is getting changed, that we have to check. So we will connect output pin to our multimeter. Now as we will start our simulation, you can see here now our voltage is 740 millivolt. Now if you will click on temperature sensor, here you can see one cursor type. If you will change this means you are changing temperature. See, as we can see here now temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So at 22 degrees Celsius voltage 7.19. Now you can see it's 24, voltage is 7.59. As we will decrease it, our voltage is also getting decreased. Means it's working directly. Temperature and voltage is directly proportional. As temperature increasing, voltage is also increasing. As temperature decreasing, voltage is also decreasing. So as you can see, I'm decreasing temperature. As temperature going in negative, our voltage getting decrease. Low, low, low. As it is getting increase, our temperature getting increase slowly, 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 voltage getting increase. You can see as I am going to maximum, that is 125 degrees Celsius. That is so much our voltage came on 175. As we will decrease, our voltage will come, and the voltage also decreasing simultaneously. So you can should use temperature sensor at various places. Like you can use your in home to check temperature of appliances if you are using some appliances, and if you want to check it should not get burned or it should not get heat so much, there you can use it. If you making some irrigation plant, automatic irrigation plant, in that also you can use temperature sensor. Okay, understand? Now let's come on today's video or summary. Whatever we learn what is temperature sensor, how to use it, and how to connect it. So basically temperature sensor senses temperature, and it convert that temperature into voltage. That is mechanical form is converted into electrical form. After that, we learn how to connect it. Just temperature sensor has three pin, power pin, output pin, and ground pin. We have to connect power pin with positive supply, ground pin with negative supply, with negative supply, and at output pin, whatever supply we are providing, we have to connect that. Here we are connecting a multimeter to check output. So we are connecting a multimeter, and here we take battery. We take positive supply from battery, negative supply from battery, and as we will start our simulation, we can see here we will click as we will change our voltage or as we will change our temperature, our voltage is getting changed according to that. Okay, understand? Thank you. That's it for today.